Okay, so we're gonna start now with the MongoDB, the database. So we're gonna be using Mongoose to connect with our project with Visual Studio Code. So once you go into MongoDB, you have to create an account, a username, a password. I have a video showing you how to do that. So once you created that username, what we are gonna do is we're gonna go right here and see all our organizations. So right now I have just this one, and here we have the project. So you click here and you type in your new project. So you can name it, I'm gonna name it full stack application, and then you continue next. So you can, this is optional, so I'm not gonna do it because I already have this one. So full stack bikes. Okay, so I'm gonna click here and it's gonna appear, let me see. Okay, so it's gonna send you to create a cluster. So choose your cloud provider, region, and specs. Okay, so just click and create, and you don't have to pay here. Well, we should, yeah, we don't have to pay, so it's free here. Okay, so make sure you're using, you pick this one, the free. And okay, so we have the configuration. So we have cluster 0. Okay, so I can just name it cluster, I don't know, cluster PJS, whatever. Yeah, whatever name you wanna. Okay, so maybe like this. Let me see, cluster. Okay, yeah, cluster PJS. Okay, so our provider is the Amazon AWS. So the region you can pick, let me see, I'm gonna pick Virginia, and optional. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much, that's all that we need to do right now. So create deployment. Okay, and we can, yeah, let me see. So let me see, connect to cluster. So add a connection IP address. So create a database user. So we need a username and we need a password. So I'm just gonna change it, and for this project I'm just gonna use BJS 12345, and the password is gonna be the same. So BJS 12345, like that. Hide it, so it doesn't matter because it's just for this project. After this I'm just gonna delete it. So this is for educational purpose. Okay, so now what we are gonna do is we are in the clusters and we can pick and connect, and now we have the driver, we have also the compass. Let's download the compass. So I don't have a MongoDB compass installed. Okay, so let me see, yes, I have a, not a Mac, it's a Windows. Okay, so Windows, I suppose, yeah, this one is fine. And let me see, yeah, we can just click it right here, and yeah, this one is gonna be, we can just wait a little bit, and okay, well, we can just leave it like that and wait. But in the meantime, let me see, we can just leave it down and we go again to connect, and now we go into the driver, and as you can see, this is gonna be, this would be my username and this would be my password. So I'm gonna delete this project afterwards, so that's the reason you're gonna see my password. But what we can do is we just copy this whole thing. We can go into the Visual Studio Code and we're gonna go to our .env, and we can put in just, let me see, MongoDB, oops, MongoDB URL, and just type in this one like that. And instead of having here our password with the angle brackets included, I put it the same. So it's gonna be BJS 12345 6. Okay, that's fine. And okay, so this download is already done, and let me see, so let me see if we are gonna have the MongoDB shell. Okay, so MongoDB Canvas is being installed. It will launch. Okay, that's fine. So we'll start. Yeah, that's fine. And let me see view. First of all, I'm just gonna edit it. So, oh, come on. Let me see view actual size and MongoDB edit. Let me see if I go into edit settings and theme, and yeah, there's one. So yeah, much better. Okay, so if we go to connections, so let me see, add a new connection. Okay, so here's where we're gonna put our connection. So we are gonna go into the overview. We're gonna put connect and compass. Okay, I already have MongoDB. We're gonna pick this one. We're gonna go right here, paste it here inside of the angle brackets, and let me see, with the angle brackets I'm gonna put it like that, delete it, and just PJS 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and we can just leave it like that and just save and connect. Okay, and as you can see, it's working right here. So finally we're gonna add some data. So we're in the overview, so we're gonna add data, and we're gonna pick create database on Atlas, and just enter a name for your new database. So database name, I'm just gonna do full stack like that, and then collection is gonna be just bike. So my collection name is gonna be bike. So, and let me see, yeah, create database, and yeah, so we have this full stack, and then we have the bikes collection. Okay, and if we go to overview and we go to connect, we go to driver, and let me see, yeah, that's fine, and yeah, that's fine. If we go to connect, and now we go into the, yeah, this is the one that we need to copy. So we already did this, so we already copied this one, and we went over here into the Visual Studio Code, and we have the MongoDB URL, and this is okay, yeah, we have it there.